Hey, what's going on YouTube? I had a great day trading today. I had a bad start during the day. Everything just was going down. I felt like I was gonna take a loss for the day, and I haven't taken a loss and since I actually started making videos for YouTube. This has actually helped me out because then I'm actually putting more time into making charts and when and trying to help you guys. I'm actually helping myself out because I'm waking up early. I'm definitely putting more time into making good charts. And then when I'm actually day trading, I'm being very cautious of where other stocks have other potential to make good finds and to make good money. So this has been helping me out. This has hopefully been helping you guys out. So I'm gonna start today with Apple. Apple was my biggest moneymaker today. I made 2.5 grand just off Apple, which was good because it took a huge loss from FSLY, and I also took a huge loss from SQ when I was short in the stocks, predicting that it would drop below this gap, which it did not. I figured that right away. Once it went over, because it was either gonna go under or over, I sold right away. I took a loss, and I won't be telling you the trades that worked for me today, which was Apple. Apple was just fantastic today. And again, I bought this right here. Nothing new. I've been saying that this is a support line for Apple. I bought it right there around the money. Actually, I bought it right here for those who don't get really technical. So I bought it right here, went up, went down, and then we broke this chart. I have this in TradingView, and if I encourage you guys to see this on TradingView, I have all the lines for you guys. It went over. It went over the green line, which is what I said last video that I was hopefully gonna do. And once this happens, this is a really good buy for Apple, and it was. So we went up, we tested the all-time high right here, and then once we tested this, it went crazy. It just went from 446 all the way up to 455. It was a huge gain. It's just amazing how much Apple went up today. It was a great stock to trade. It's currently really high, but the reason it's really high, and I've mentioned this before, you guys always want to look at the um, the SP 500 when you're day trading. This is a really good indicator of what to do during the day or what things might do that you might not be looking at. So this is a good indicator that Apple was gonna go up. It did, and I made a lot of money. So these are my new chart for the daily. I have no current high right now. I don't know how much higher we can go, but I'm really hoping that Apple just keeps buzzing to 500. Hopefully tomorrow we have another great day for Apple. But this is the chart I was using. This is where I bought, and this is where I'm still holding till today, going long for tomorrow. Next we have BA. I was really hoping this stock would pop off, but all it did today was just consolidate and consolidate and consolidate and consolidate. Why? The reason why is because it kept wanting to hit this bomb support, which it did here after it had that dip. It broke this bomb support line, had a dip, and immediately went right back up. But this white line is what we're really trying to get above. If this does not go above this white line, then I would definitely consider selling BA. But if we push through this, it's going to be a great freaking day for BA. And that's kind of what I'm hoping for. I'm still holding long for C8 for tomorrow. And just to give you guys a little bit of explaining what I'm looking at here, and the reason that I'm still holding for BA, you can tell that this is the bottom support line. I think I made a call out to buy here, and the reason I use my what's it called my SP 500. Let's take a look at this. Right, you can tell that this is the high, and I'm gonna go into today where it hit this high, and it hit at 1024. If you see that, and right here at 1024, you can tell that it's really high and it's a really good sell. So it's kind of like helping you out if you can use two charts at the same time, and it's kind of really confusing. This is a little more advanced for someone who really wants to dedicate themselves to day trading. You definitely want to dedicate yourself to the ESP 500 and doing both at the same time. Again, I think BA, as long as we can go over and hold this support, where the screen line is, we have a support here and a super strong support at this white line. I just want to make it a little bigger so you guys can definitely see that these are really strong support, and this green line is a very strong support. So we're kind of fighting back and forth just to see which one breaks first, and that's kind of what I'm watching. If it goes over, we go over a lot. If it go under, we're gonna dip a lot. So it's getting to that point where it's gonna do something. It can't just stay here forever. So next we have AMD. AMD was also a stock I've been trading for the long run. You can tell that this is a very good indication that it's going up. It's a bull market. And again, I've said this before, but AMD has been grasshopping, and I like to use that term because it likes to jump, and I went too far out. So the reason I say that is because we have sudden spikes. So let me just show you what I mean. So here we go. It's gonna be the first one. Low spike, conciliation, spike, conciliation, spike, conciliation, spike, and I'm hoping for another spike tomorrow. I think again, I've said this a million times, guys. I think it's gonna hit 100. I can almost guarantee it's gonna hit 100. So I'm holding on to AMD. I have almost like 5K into AMD right now, and all in options, which is a lot of options and it's a lot of money. And I really feel good that this stock is gonna hit 100 very very soon. Okay, next we have Tesla. I just like doing Tesla because a lot of people like Tesla. I personally don't like it. I think it's very unpredictable, and I keep saying this, but there's two things that can happen with Tesla right now. Either we hit this purple line, which is a huge support, or we hit the bottom support, which it has hit very, very often. I can go back and I can show, oh, no, undo, and I can show you how this line has been hit over and over and over again. So most likely, and again, most likely we're gonna hit 1280, 1300. Okay, VSLR. I made this call out today just because it got to this white line, and I was really hoping, like I was just really hoping, we would break it and be strong about it and go all the way up to over 30. But it kind of declined. It kind of like just sat there for a little bit, and I'm really hoping to tomorrow we test it again. If we don't test it, then I would sell it. But and not too far. I would sell at 24.85 at this point. That's the new low for this. Another stock that people keep asking me, CRWD. What's going on with CRWD? I told you guys, most likely it's gonna hit the green line, and that's kind of this is from even yesterday when I drew it in. So most likely we're gonna be hitting 108. We actually did hit 108, 109 today, and I think we still have one more dip left to go before this becomes a really strong buy. And I definitely do want to buy at 109. Keep that in mind. I definitely want to buy this at 109. Something you guys can do: set an alert, boom, zero WD 109, boom, done, create, and it'll show up right here. When this hits 109, we'll give you an alert that it's ready to be bought. Okay, guys. Next we have Microsoft. People have been also asking me about Microsoft, and again, I keep telling them the whole TikTok deal hasn't been approved yet, but this is my bottom support line, and as long as we stay above this bottom support line, Microsoft should be a good stock to own. But it looks like, honestly, right now, what this stock looks like it tends to do, it tends to hit 222, just because we broke this four times, and it looks like it really wants to hit 222. I would sell here, guys. Again, you want to buy at the bottom. Where I'm pointing my bottom lines is where you generally want to buy the stocks. Another stock that was day trading today, I think I mentioned it before, was SQ. I kind of went over this really quick. I thought this stock was going to go down and just fill that gap that I have right there, but I decided not to do that. It decided to actually bounce up right here. It never went under, which was a good sign. And then we just broke off and we're going up again. And it's just, again, the stock is just consolidating. It's waiting for the next move. It's waiting for more indication of what's going to happen. But if this breaks over, let's see, it was 158.20, this could be a good indicator that the SQ is still going up, just because there is this huge gap to be filled, and who knows when that might happen. Next we have SE. SE was doing pretty good, uh, and then it just crashed. Um, so we're below this blue line. If it sits below this blue line, we're most likely gonna fall, especially if it falls below. Honestly, I would say 137.09. I would definitely sell SE. Okay, gold has been doing incredible. I've mentioned gold a couple times, and the reason I mentioned gold is because gold is it has been going up for the last, let's see, for the last couple of weeks. It has been tremendously going up. This is a really good bull sign, And as long as you stay between the lines, it should not be easy. It should not be a hard trade. But it looks like it's pretty high. It looks like we're trying to hit 191 just one more time. Next we have Riot. I won't cover Riot, Bitcoin, and Mara, which is really quick. The only reason I say that is because this stocks or Bitcoin has been going up tremendously. We're almost at 1200 already, and we broke in some lines. We're above this purple. It is a very strong line. It has been hitting this over and over again. As long as we can maintain this and maintain this momentum and definitely stay over this, I think it's going to do another triangle right here where it just keeps bouncing around, and then that's when we finally find out which way it's going. But Mara and Riot are two cryptocurrencies that you guys can get that or trade in the stock market. That what they do is they pretty much have machines that look for Bitcoin, and they have like thousands of computers that are just currently searching for Bitcoin. So they're technically Bitcoin investors, like the gold rush. It's just the Bitcoin rush. Okay. That's it for that. I want to jump on to Jmia. Jmia looks like it got pumped really hard. It went down to six. I bought it here. I sold somewhere over there, and then I kind of just left it. I don't know. I thought it was gonna keep dropping. Perfect V shape right here, but it looks like it's still trying. If this goes below 16, I was sure that if it stays here, then I will give it another chance. But I think this could be potentially a really good short if it falls below 16. Let's see. Now just going with some simple stocks like Run. Run has been going up a lot. I keep saying Run has been running. This stock has been growing for the last 4 or 5 days and by huge increases. So Run has been a good stock lately. Zsand has been a decent stock. They're a penny coin, but if you can, yeah, if this is where it is, I think this has huge potential. Lvgo. Um, they really haven't tried this stock too much. I think there was a call out today for this stock, and it looks like it's just going to do a little bit of this where it just bounces between the lines. So just keep an eye on that. And finally, we have Siri. Siri, I've been saying it's going to keep going up. It's just plateauing right now at the bottom support line. Just keeps just keeps staying here, which is definitely a good buy right now. They're pretty much the only. They have no competition for their car streaming services. So I think as long as cars are available, Siri is still gonna be a good stock to trade. And lastly, what did I miss here? I feel like I'm missing one. Oh, gee. I guess that's really it. Another stock I wanted just to cover. Facebook had a huge jump today. People were wondering, hey man, should I get into Facebook right now? It looks definitely overbought, and I would not trade Facebook right now. It just had a huge increase, and like when you have such a huge increase, unless the ESP 500 is still going up tomorrow, then that could be a good stock. But right now, I'm holding BA, I'm holding AMD, and I'm holding Apple for tomorrow. Those are just my recommendations. And I made a great call out today. That wasn't the best call out, but FSLY they had the biggest drop ever, and I saw that this was a support line, so I made a call out exactly during my live video to buy about 86, and it went from 86 to 89, which is easy 4%, 5% increase. And I think tomorrow we might see something like this where it hits here, and eventually maybe we might recover what just happened and go back to this green line. So that's just the news for today, guys. Thanks for watching me today during my live show. I definitely appreciate all the viewers. And I'm not gonna be day trading tomorrow. I have a couple plans tomorrow. I have work. I'm not sure if you can hear the baby crying in the back. But I'm gonna be a little busy tomorrow. But I'm definitely gonna be doing live videos Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday next week. I'll let you guys know in the comments. And once again, guys, thanks for watching the videos. Give me some likes, give me some love, and let me know if you guys want to do any charts or any recommendations. If just any stocks you want me to go over. Appreciate you guys.